Hello, do you want to learn English?
Me, yes, but too many words. I tried to save all the words in my notebooks, but it's so difficult to review these words. I have many notes and notebooks. Hey, it's so difficult.
Okay. We have the program that will help you in saving all the words you learn in one place, hearing the right pronunciation of your words, reviewing your words by sections and level of difficulty, knowing how to use these words, easy way to access words through computer and mobile, reviewing the pronunciation of 1,000 words in 16 minutes. Visit learningword.com. Register now and fill out your words. Thanks for watching.